Assalamualaikum and good day to Dr. Yahya. My name is Muhammad Afiq bin Julal. My metric number 146571. Today I want to present course PGT 201 Instructional Technology Practice. The title project Game-Based Learning Module. Alright, today I want to present History Studies Teaching and Learning Module Form 4. Teaching and Learning Module is provided to help teacher of history. Title Nationalism in Our Country. This module was formulated in line with the current globalization that requires teachers to make better use of information technology in teaching and learning (PDP) and further make PDP more structured and effective for students. This module comes with some example of activities that can be used during PDP in the classroom. The teaching duration is 1 hour 40 minutes, and at the end of the lesson, students will be able to achieve two objectives. Objective 1, students are able to provide a definition of nationalism and describe the factors of the emergence of nationalism in our country. Objective 2, students can elaborate the development of nationalism in this country and find out the impact of the development of nationalism in our country. Alright, this is my lesson plan for history subject. Time needed finish the lesson 1 hour 40 minutes. Target student 25 students. And at the end of the lesson, student will be able to provide a definition of nationalism and describe the factor of the emergence of nationalism in our country. And student can be elaborate the development of nationalism in this country and find out the impact of the development of nationalism in our country. Alright, next my learning activities. Before teacher start the class, teacher must doing induction set. My first activity is online learning resources. Teacher using YouTube application and teacher's blog. Second activity, game-based learning. Teacher use Neopod application. Activity 3, teacher provided a discussion forum. Student make group discussion. And then my closing activity, the teacher provided an interactive online quiz, use Quizizz application. And then the last activity is module reflection. And for detail my activity, I will present the next slide. Alright, before the class starts, teacher must doing induction set. First, teacher will ask students to give their views on the meaning of nationalism in general. After that, teacher will display the answer listed on the screen to show their understanding of the topic of nationalism. And then the teacher will summarize the findings from the Mentimeter to the students. Lastly, the teacher will introduce the topic of teaching and learning on the day. And a teaching aid for the activity is projector, laptop, computer, and Mentimeter application. And how to access the game? First, students scan QR code or log in a link provided by the teacher. And after that, student enter the password. And lastly, student list the answer used for nationalism. Activity 1, online learning resources. Learning activities. Time needed to finish this activity is 30 minutes. First, the teacher will show the teaching video through the YouTube application displayed on the screen in front of the class, as well as description from blogs on the topic talks. After that, the teacher will explain more about the background of the emergence of nationalism and the factors of the emergence of nationalism in our country, guided by a blog product by teacher in Malaysia. Alright, activity 2, game-based learning. The name of the game is Think and Drag. The time needed to finish the game is 10 minutes. Student will play a game through the Neopod application on the factor of the emergence of nationalism in our country. Student have to choose the correct answer to the given question, and then student who can answer all the question correctly will be given a prize. Okay, now how to play this game? First, student must click link provided by the teacher, and then after that, student enter a password to access the game. After student can access the game, fill in the student's full name in this column before starting the game. And lastly, drag the correct answer provided into the blank. Alright, the next activity is forum discussion. Student make group presentation and then time needed to finish is 30 minutes. Student will be divided into 5 groups. One group 5 people. Each group had to produce a sketch of a mind map describing the development of nationalism and the effect of the development of nationalism in detail using mahjong paper. Each group will present their work in front of other students. After that, the teacher will hold a question and answer session and a presentation evaluation session. Teaching for the activity is projector, laptop, computer, marker pen, and mahjong paper. Alright, this is closing activity. Assessment activities. The assessment activity is interactive quiz and time needed to finish the activity is 10 minutes. Teacher will give an assessment question using the quizzes application to measure the level of student understanding of teaching and learning on the day. This assessment question contains 2 multiple choice question and 2 essay question, which include 2 learning objective. The teacher will display the password code display to answer the evaluation question in the quizzes application. And then a student will be given 10 minutes to answer all assessment question, and the teacher will summarize the teaching and learning as a whole for the title of nationalism in our country. This summary is made to conclude and solve the problem of student misunderstanding. Alright, how to access the assessment interactive quiz? First, student must click the link provided by the teacher. After that, enter the password code and fill in the student's full name in this column before answering the question. And lastly, choose the correct answer according to the question given. Okay, there are following example of evaluation question provided by teacher. 2 multiple choice question. Question number 1 until number 2, and then 2 essay question. Question number 3 until question number 4. Alright, last activity is the module reflection. The name of activity is Share Your Experience, and time needed to finish the activity is 10 minutes. Each student is instructed to share their experience in the learning process. Students shall respond to the activities that have been carried out. The activity is called Share Your Experience using the Padlet platform. Teaching aid for the activity is projector, laptop, computer, and Padlet application. And how to access the game? First, student will be instructed to scan the QR code provided or log in to the link provided. After that, student fill in their full names before sharing their knowledge of the learning activity. And this is example of complete answer given by students. That's all from me. Thank you.